Welcome to the Deep Dive. We sift through complex information to bring you the core insights.
And today we're diving into the world of high-end watchmaking, horlogerie.
Specifically, a really standout piece, the Chopard L.U.C Qualité Fleurier 20th Anniversary Edition. Our goal here is to really get under the skin of this watch, figure out what makes it so special, balancing that incredible craftsmanship with, well, serious exclusivity.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's start unpacking it. That name first, Qualité Fleurier, it sounds important. For those who might not live and breathe watches, what's the significance? What does that really mean?
Well, the Qualité Fleurier, or QF as it's known, isn't just, another certification. It's arguably the most demanding quality standard in the whole Swiss watch industry.
More than COSC, for example.
Oh, much more. COSC is purely about chronometric performance, how accurately it keeps time. QS includes that, but it also mandates incredibly high standards for aesthetic finishing. Every single part.
Every part, even the hidden ones.
Yes, exactly. And it tests for durability under simulated real-world wear. Plus, it guarantees the watch is 100% manufactured in Switzerland. It's a total holistic measure of excellence.
Okay, so it's a big deal to get this certification.
A very big deal. Relatively few watches actually achieve it. It's a true benchmark.
And building on that, this specific watch, it's not just any QF watch. There's something else going on here.
No, you're right. This is the 20th anniversary edition, and that's the anniversary of the QF certification itself.
Okay.
So Chopard decided to make just 20 pieces. That's it. One for each year the certification has existed.
20 watches worldwide.
Just 20. It really speaks volumes about Chopard's commitment, both to their own history and to pushing the boundaries of watchmaking. And while that kind of scarcity, it massively boosts its value as a collector's item.
Right. It becomes more than a watch. It's a historical marker.
Precisely. A landmark piece celebrating 2 decades of this really tough standard.
Okay, so we have this extreme standard, extreme rarity. Let's look inside. The engine. The Calibre 96.09 Beretta. What makes this movement tick, so to speak?
Yeah. Well, this gets to the heart of its technical prowess. The Calibre 96 series from Chopard is, frankly, legendary. A big reason why is the use of a micro-rotor.
Micro-rotor. Explain that a bit.
Sure. So most automatic watches have a large oscillating weight, a rotor, that spins with your movement and winds the watch. But it usually covers up half the movement view.
Right. You see it swinging back and forth.
Exactly. A micro-rotor is much smaller and integrated into the level of the movement bridges, not sitting on top.
So it doesn't add thickness.
That's the key benefit. It allows for a much slimmer watch profile, which is really desirable in a dress watch like this one, but it's still very efficient at winding.
Clever. And what else about this caliber?
Well, it features Chopard's twin barrel technology. So 2 mainspring barrels instead of 1 working together.
And that gives it
An impressive power reserve. We're talking 65 hours.
Okay, that's practical. Almost 3 days.
Yeah, you can take it off Friday evening and it's still running Monday morning. Plus, the micro-rotor itself is made of 22-karat gold. Gold is denser, so it winds more efficiently for its size. And it operates at a standard 28,800 vibrations per hour, ensuring good accuracy.
So a very sophisticated, thin, efficient, and long-running movement.
You got it. And beautifully finished, of course, which you can see through the case back.
Which leads us perfectly to the outside. Beyond the mechanics, how does this watch look and feel? What's the aesthetic here?
It's designed as a classic, very elegant dress watch. The primary materials are yellow gold for the case and a complementary brown strap.
And the specifics, size, details.
The case is a really nice 39 millimeters in diameter, and thanks partly to that micro-rotor movement, it's thin, just 8.92 millimeters thick.
That is quite slim for an automatic.
It is, and look closer, you'll see details like individually welded lugs, that's where the strap attaches. It's a more complex, traditional way of doing things. Shows real craft.
Okay, and the dial.
It's a 2-tone sector dial, gives it a bit of a vintage, very refined look, with gilded hands and hour markers for warmth and legibility, sapphire crystal on the front, and, as mentioned, the back.
So you can admire the movement.
Absolutely. It's also got 30 meters of water resistance, which is standard for a dress watch, fine for splashes, not for swimming. And it comes on a lovely brown calfskin strap with a matching yellow gold pin buckle. It all just works together beautifully.
Understated elegance, it sounds like.
Exactly. It's not shouting, but every detail speaks quality.
So we've covered the tough certification, the extreme rarity, the brilliant movement, the classic design. Bringing it all together, what does understanding a watch like this, which, let's face it, comes with a significant price tag, around EUR 33,000, what does that mean for you, the listener?
I think it means you're getting a glimpse into really a masterclass in watchmaking. It's seeing how all these different elements, the in-house movement innovation like a micro-rotor, the sheer difficulty of the QF certification, the careful finishing by hand,
Yeah.
how they all
It's
combine.
more than the sum of its parts.
Absolutely. It culminates in something that has exceptional value, yes, but also genuine rarity, and I think a kind of lasting beauty. It's about appreciating the absolute peak of craftsmanship and artistry in a mechanical object.
What a fascinating deep dive. We've really seen how that combination of precision engineering, these demanding standards, and just meticulous attention to detail creates something, well, quite remarkable.
Indeed. It really underscores the idea that true luxury, it isn't always about being loud or flashy. It's often hidden in those subtle details, that deep commitment to quality that doesn't compromise.
A blend of respecting tradition while still innovating.
Perfectly put. Heritage and progress working together.
It definitely makes you think. In a world that often seems focused on fast and disposable things, where else do we see this kind of profound dedication to craftsmanship, to creating something of truly enduring value, something to ponder?